Hi, I am EAS. Baby Dolly is making videos I want to be in. I am afraid SPC Red and other Vyonders will be in instead of me, cause I am a jerk face. I am a crybaby.